Did you know that Amazon is not just a global marketplace where people sell goods? It's also a platform where you can make money without selling anything. You heard that right? This retail giant offers a plethora of opportunities for individuals to generate income, and it's not confined to selling physical products. Today, we're going to introduce you to 10 unconventional, yet highly effective ways to make money on Amazon without selling a single item. So without further ado, let's dive into these 10 amazing ways to make money on Amazon. Starting off with affiliate marketing, a powerful way to make money on Amazon without selling anything. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, in simple terms, it's a way of earning income by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that comes through your referral link. Amazon has its own affiliate program known as Amazon Associates. Here's how it works. You sign up, choose from thousands of products on Amazon to advertise to your customers, and make money when your visitors buy through your affiliate links. The beauty of this method is that you don't need to deal with the hassles of inventory, order processing, or customer service. That's all handled by Amazon. Your role is simply to connect a potential customer to a product. The potential income from affiliate marketing can be substantial, depending largely on the effort you put into promoting the products and the sales they generate. A dedicated and strategic marketer can make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s a month. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a commission for every purchase made through your referral link. Pretty neat, right? Next up, we have Kindle eBooks. Yes, your writing skills can earn you money on Amazon. How, you ask? Well, it's quite simple. On Amazon, you have the opportunity to self-publish your own ebooks. You get to call the shots, deciding everything from the book cover to the pricing. It's all in your hands. The process of publishing a Kindle ebook is straightforward. You write your book, format it for Kindle, design a cover, set your price, and voila, you're published. And the best part, you keep up to 70% of the sales, which can add up to a pretty penny if your book gains traction. The benefits of self-publishing on Amazon are many. For one, you bypass the traditional gatekeepers of publishing. No more rejection letters from publishing houses. Plus, you'll have access to Amazon's vast global audience. It's like having your own personal bookstore that's open 24/7. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. You'll need to market your book, engage with readers, and consistently churn out quality content. So if you love writing, why not turn that passion into a profitable venture with Kindle eBooks? Unleash your creativity with our third way to make money on Amazon, Merch by Amazon. This platform is a dream come true for artists and designers who want to monetize their creativity. Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell your original designs on Amazon's global marketplace. Here's how it works. You upload your artwork, choose a product type and color, set your price, and create a product description. Amazon takes care of the rest, printing your design on the product, handling all sales transactions, and shipping directly to the customer. Best of all, there's no upfront investment or inventory to manage. This platform provides a unique opportunity for artists to profit from their designs without fretting over inventory or shipping. It's all about producing creative, high-quality designs that appeal to customers. The more popular your designs become, the more potential there is for a steady stream of passive income. Merch by Amazon is a fantastic way for artists to monetize their creativity. Ever thought your voice could make you money? Well, with ACX audiobook narration, it can. In this digital age, audiobooks are on the rise, and there's a constant demand for engaging and charismatic voices to bring stories and knowledge to life. ACX, which stands for Audiobook Creation Exchange, is an Amazon platform that connects authors, publishers, and rights holders with narrators, engineers, and recording studios. To get started, you'll need a good quality microphone and some basic audio editing software. You don't have to be a professional voice actor, but it helps if you can express emotions and capture the essence of different characters. If you're passionate about books and have a voice that people love to listen to, this could be a perfect gig for you. The earning potential, it varies. You can choose to be paid per finished hour of audio, which can range from $50 to a few $100s, or you can opt for a royalty share where you earn a percentage of the audiobook sales. The beauty of this is, once you've recorded a book, it can continue to generate income for years to come. With ACX, you can literally make money while you speak. Our fifth way to make money on Amazon is by becoming an Amazon virtual assistant. Now, you may be wondering, what does an Amazon virtual assistant do? Well, it's simple. These are independent contractors who offer administrative services to clients while operating outside of the client's office. They handle tasks such as customer service, inventory management, and even marketing, all from the comfort of their own homes. What skills do you need, you ask? You need to be organized, have good communication skills, and be familiar with the Amazon platform. It's important to have a good understanding of Amazon's rules and regulations, as well as its marketplace dynamics. Now let's talk money. The income potential of an Amazon virtual assistant can be quite attractive. Depending on your skills and experience, you could earn anywhere from $20 to more than $100 per hour. In essence, becoming an Amazon virtual assistant allows you to play a crucial role in someone else's business, while also creating a satisfying and potentially lucrative career for yourself. Becoming an Amazon virtual assistant can be a rewarding and lucrative career. Last but not least, Amazon Home Services offers local businesses a chance to make money on Amazon. This platform is a hub where customers can find and hire local professionals for different services, from house cleaning to car repair and everything in between. Now, you might be wondering, how can my local business benefit from this? Well, by listing your services on Amazon Home Services, you're opening your business to a much broader customer base. You're no longer limited to your local neighborhood. Instead, you're tapping into Amazon's vast customer network, which spans across the country. Moreover, Amazon handles the marketing and payment processing, allowing you to focus on what you do best, providing top-notch services. You only pay a fee when you get hired, so there are no upfront costs, making this a low-risk avenue for income generation. The potential income, it varies depending on the service provided and the frequency of jobs. However, with Amazon's extensive customer base and the convenience it offers to customers, it's safe to say that the income potential is substantial. With Amazon Home Services, local businesses can reach more customers and grow their earnings. So, there you have it, 10 unconventional ways to make money on Amazon without selling anything. We've journeyed through a world where affiliate marketing offers a chance to earn by promoting other people's products. We've seen the realm of Kindle ebooks, where your words can weave profitable tales. We've explored the land of merch by Amazon, where your creativity can take form on a t-shirt. We've delved into the universe of ACX audiobook narration, where your voice can bring stories to life. We've navigated the domain of being an Amazon virtual assistant, where your organizational skills can support business growth. And finally, we've discovered the territory of Amazon Home Services, where local businesses can connect with customers in their community. Each of these methods offers a unique path towards accumulating wealth. No matter your skills or interests, there's a place for you in the vast ecosystem of Amazon. It's a world full of opportunity where anyone can find their niche and start earning. Remember, the key to success is to stay persistent, be creative, and always keep learning. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to seize these opportunities and turn them into a profitable venture. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making content. And if you're seeking more ways to become wealthy, be sure to check out our other videos on this channel. Until next time, keep hustling.